Okay, I have a really legitimate PPP update for you guys. Brand new, breaking news. It happened today. Well, at least like today when I'm recording this. I am going to be posting this the next day after I recorded it. But the SBA has just announced that they are going to be able to receive forgiveness applications directly. Woohoo! I think this is a great development. So I'm going to get into some of the details and what you need to know. All right. Well, again, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please be subscribed because this type of stuff I try to get it as timely as I can out to you, and hopefully it is here to help your business. Let's go ahead and talk about this notice that was posted. Now, I had heard about this forgiveness portal. I actually had recorded a video already kind of mentioning that it was coming down the pike, but we got a notice today about the actual timing of it. So scrap that one. And I wanted to give you guys a little bit more updated information. So the SBA has said that they are going to have a direct forgiveness portal. So I will put the actual URL somewhere here or here so we can get that for you, but it's directforgiveness.sba.gov. This will be a way for you to bypass the lender directly and go directly to the SBA. Because if you remember, the process is that you have to apply for forgiveness with your lender, whoever you got the loan from, and then they approve it and then they send it to the SBA. So the timeline there can be kind of slow, and I want to make sure that you guys know who can do this. So the big thing right now is that they're only accepting, when they open, they will only be accepting forgiveness applications for loans under $150,000. So I think this kind of goes along with like, hey, the 3508S is for loans under $150,000, and then now they're going to open up this direct portal to streamline that for the smallest of businesses. So again, they're trying to alleviate some of the administrative burden of the smallest businesses in this country who are still trying to get the PPP loans off of their books. One really big thing to note in this is that this is not blanket forgiveness. Don't even think about it. The rules still apply. All of the applications are still the same. All the certifications are going to be the same and everything. The difference here is that you don't have to go through your lender. You can go directly to the SBA. This is going to be really helpful for some of you who have been trying to apply for forgiveness and your lender keeps saying that the portal's not open, the portal's not open, the portal's not open. And this might actually answer some of the reason why they have not been doing that, because this program with the SBA, lenders are having to opt into. So my assumption is maybe some of those lenders who were not accepting applications, they were waiting for the SBA to get their portal up and running. That's just an assumption, but I think there's probably some legitimacy to that. So they don't have to build out their own forgiveness portal. They'll just push it all directly to the SBA. Kind of makes sense, right? So I want to let you guys know about that. This portal opens on August 4th of 2021. Now that's what they're telling us right now. Doesn't mean that, you know, they could have some delays or whatever, but with the Restaurant Revitalization Fund, that was up and running on the date that they said that it was going to, and it looks like they're already in beta testing format for it. They've been doing a pilot program for this, so it seems like that's already happening, so that's good. But I mean, I'm encouraged overall. I feel like this is a good step for the SBA. I think it's something that will help a lot of small business owners, and it will expedite that process and maybe eliminate some confusion. Okay. One other little quick PPP update I wanted to tell you guys about: for loans over $2 million, they no longer have to fill out the 3509 form. If it was a over $2 million nonprofit, the 3510. That's just, I know that doesn't affect too many of you, but I did want to mention that that is a new requirement. Now, this still means that those loans can get audited, and they might get audited. They're just kind of removing that additional supplemental information that was needing to be prepared. And lastly, one thing I just want to mention, because I know some of you guys are waiting for an update on this, the whole issue of overlapping covered periods. If you got your PPP 1 and 2 loans, first and second draw, super close together, we still haven't heard anything from the SBA specifically about what to do about those loans. Maybe when they start to see all of these applications come through their portal, they might maybe make some changes to the guidelines, and hopefully we'll be able to hear some actual definitive answers on what those borrowers should do. I guess let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. If I can, I would love to help somebody apply for forgiveness through this SBA through this SBA portal. So stay tuned for a video. I would love to do a walkthrough. If it's something that I feel like I can do with confidentiality and be able to do this, I would love to walk you guys through how to use that portal. So we will see. Maybe I have a client I can help step through it, but or maybe I can get somebody on my email list to help them through this process. So I will stay tuned for sure. I will show you that portal if I can for sure. And remember too, I have resources to help you figure out the calculations of what to request. I did a webinar workshop on loans under 50,000 and everything you need to support those loans when you go to apply for forgiveness. And I also just finished one for loans between 50,000 and 150,000. So both of those will be really great if you're looking for some extra guidance, and especially how to document your calculation and then all the supporting documentation you need to save for yourself in your audit file. So I'll make links available in the description box below to those things, but please feel free to put any comments in the comment section below. I'd love to be able to respond to you with any questions you might have. I try to look at the comments for the first 24 hours for sure, and then I just try to hit them as I can because they keep coming. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Please like this video if it was helpful, and I really appreciate you. All right, bye.